you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man? What's up, buddy? You demo on this thing? I will. Okay, appreciate it, man. What you got running here, man?
8 watts. Nothing special.
Oh, yeah. It's easy to say, easy to say. I think I seen it online, too. I seen you online. I said, I gotta find that one.
Better beats for
Whatever day.
Oh, we are.
Yeah. Huh? You okay? You wanna go again, huh? Was it alright? Huh?
Yeah, I've been having
I can't believe that it's free.
having that little issue all day.
Hey, as long as you turn it back on, it's alright, man. Yeah.
It's DJ Rusticles.
Man, I so appreciate it, man. What you say you running this thing
She's
again?
8 plats.
18s, right?
No, 15s. 15s.
Golly.
Yes,
What kind of amp you running back there?
2 base 15Ks.
There's 2 of them.
Just 2 of
That
them.
thing cutting up. Where can they find you on social media anywhere?
Just Daryl Riedling on Facebook, man.
Okay, I'm gonna be sure to pay y'all. Be sure to give him a follow. You got nothing in you, man? A little couple seconds or something?
Yeah, let me check your mask, make sure it ain't too hot. Alright. Ain't too bad.
Alright. Yeah, he checking it. You want low gonna make the win. High gonna fit it in your chest a little bit. Which one you like?
High.
You like high? Okay.
We'll do the same one. Okay.
Laid back,
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
rolling down the street, smoking. Laid back.
You gonna see? He got a couple. He might got a couple seconds for y'all.
Okay.
Same thing with the color.
You want the win?
Huh?
He got the win. You want
Yeah,
low or high? Low is the win. You want the low? Okay. You want the win. All right.
Do the same thing that when it was in there. Like
Oh yeah. It float around a little bit. You want to?
It's DJ Drama in the air, it's kind of fucking the still feeling the king, but somehow, some way, keep coming up with that shit like every single day. Keep on make a few millions of because my mama ain't running. I got pictures in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 and
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.